you standing by the train. Rain clung to your hair like sorrow. You didn't say a single word, but I felt goodbye in the silence. You smiled through breaking light, your eyes like spring too late to come. My voice stayed trapped inside my chest, like petals wilting before blue. Even now I trace your name on fogged up glass with trembling hand, wishing I could send one word through this cold and silent land. The season changed, the wind moved on, but time forgot to take you too. And every sunset pulls me back to quiet days I spent with you.